Akenya ni moritio kwaga kuhuthira peanut butter muthemba wa Nuteez thutha wa uthuthuria kuonania imwe yacio iri na ikiro cia iguru cia thumu wa aflatoxin. Riboti ino irutitwo thutha wa uthuthuria uria wikagwo mahinda kwa mahinda wigie ukinyaniru wa irio na indo ingi iria ciendagio matuka-ini. Ndagitari Kefa Obacho uria ni murugamiriri munene wa maundu makonie ugima wa mwiri akiuga Akenya mafatie kwamba gwithema kumihuthira.
This food item, nasal peanut butter, already is questionable based on the research that we are having, and we have a certificate. So we Kenyans must avoid to consume because this is a food safety issue.
Hidinyo riu ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niyathanite peanut butter ciothe iria ciathondeketwo rungu rwa mathanduku namba ici gukorwo cikieherio matuka-ini na ihenya o ta uria kwahoteka o riri uthuthuria ukonie uthondeki wacio urathie na mbere.
Since from the same manufacturer there could be other batches which are not the same, we have requested that samples must be taken for all those ones also to make sure that we are sure about their safety. Why do we do that? Is because we work from doubting the system, maybe, if there could have been any contamination during processing.
Peanut butter eno irekereirio ganja iranyitekanire matuka-ini kaunti-ini ya Nandi. Kuhitukira ndumiriri kuri nyumba cia mohoro, kambuni ya Jetrak aria nio athondeki a peanut butter eno maugite tutire turamukira riboti kana marua o mothe kuma kuri thirikari, no ni turatabania uthuthuria witu ukonie mateta maria meyumiritie. Kuringana na Ndagitari Obacho, wigiririki na ndumiriri o yothe ifatie gukinyerio kambuni eno ni wigiririki wa murugamiriri wa ministry thiini wa county odoria mareketie gwathana wikwo.
If, for example, this food is being manufactured in Mombasa or Garissa or any place, it becomes now the responsibility of the officer within that county to take immediate action in trying to stop it moving, because that's the geographical manufacturing point.
Kaige thumu wa aflatoxin wonekaga mihiriga-ini ngurani ya irio ta mbembe, ngano, mucere, indo iria ithondekagwo na iria kana matumbi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.